Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on November 17, 2025, about 3 days ago. This paper introduces REVISOR, a multimodal reflection framework that lets models rewatch targeted video segments and gains about a 2% accuracy boost on long-form video benchmarks by going beyond text-only self-reflection. The paper is titled REVISOR Beyond Textual Reflection Towards Multimodal Introspective Reasoning in Long-Form Video Understanding, and as we will see later, the implications for model training and video reasoning are quite significant. Figure 1 contrasts text-only self-reflection with the REVISOR-style reflective visual segment reasoning on a Superman clip. The top panel shows the traditional method, which just rephrases its earlier text reasoning and flips between candidates without revisiting the video itself. The bottom panel shows REVISOR, which first proposes a time window, then resamples dense frames there and rethinks using those visuals. This segment-oriented multimodal reflection lets the model pinpoint the exact moment Superman catches someone and pick the right answer. Figure 2 explains why adding visual reflection really matters. The left radar chart shows that plain textual reflection works great on static image benchmarks, so the scores for the rethinker model stay high. The middle bar chart shows that the same strategy actually hurts accuracy on long-form video datasets. The right spiral chart then shows that when the model reflects using the correct key video segments, performance jumps markedly across several video question answering benchmarks. Alright, Figure 3 explains how the Dual Attribution Decoupled Reward actually trains REVISOR to look at the right video moments. The top flow shows the final answer verification reward, which simply checks whether the reflected answer is correct, and so pushes for overall accuracy. The bottom flow introduces the causal segment sufficiency reward, which only gives credit when the answer can be recovered from the reviewed segment alone, like proving that clip truly contains the evidence. Together, these two rewards guide the model to both answer well and ground its reasoning in the most relevant video slice. Figure 3 focused on how the rewards shape segment selection, and Table 1 now shows what that buys in practice. This table compares many long video models and highlights that the REVISOR-based system edges out its base QN 2.5 vision language model by around 2 percentage points across 4 benchmarks. The gains are especially strong on very long videos, which signals that segment-focused reflection really helps sustained reasoning. So the big takeaway is that reflection for long videos has to be multimodal, with models rewatching precise segments instead of just rewording their past text. The Dual Attribution Decoupled Reward then ties answers to concrete evidence, which points toward more accountable tool using video agents. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.